OnePlus next book-style foldable is coming soon. The OnePlus Open came out late last year. Oppo Find N3 launched in global markets as the OnePlus Open, according to a now-deleted post by prolific Chinese leakster digital chat station. Oppo Find N5 launch very soon. It will be the successor to the Find N3 from last October. So Oppo Find N5 to be a rebranded OnePlus Open 2. The OnePlus Open 2 is tipped to get 2K resolution displays. It is said to run on Snapdragon 8 Elite. The foldable is expected to feature a triple rear camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony camera. The camera setup is said to include a single unspecified periscope sensor. It could also have an alert slider and a waterproof build. It is said to have a thin and lightweight build with around 9.x mm thickness. Weibo Digital Chat Station has claimed the Oppo folding phone is incoming in Q1 2025. He had quoted the same timeline in May. There is still a long time to wait for any solid information about the OnePlus Open 2. According to the tipster, the OnePlus Open 2 will have an upgraded hinge, a thin design, and a folding screen with a smaller crease, and more improvements on software for the foldable screen. Last but not least, it would be nice to see wireless charging. The OnePlus Open 2 came with a $1,699 price tag. We don't expect the OnePlus Open 2 to be cheaper than its predecessor, so we definitively expect the best possible specs for that price. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.